In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a transaction in QuickBooks Online. This is a fantastic skill to master if you need to allocate a single transaction across multiple categories or accounts, perhaps because you made a large purchase that needs to be divided among several departments, or maybe you just have a personal expense that needs to be tracked in different budget areas. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First things first, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. Chrome is generally reliable for handling QuickBooks Online, providing a smooth and seamless experience. Once you're set up there, head over to quickbooks.intuit.com, log in with your credentials to access your QuickBooks Online account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to set that up first. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to either the Banking or Transactions menu. You can find this by looking at the menu on the left-hand side. Click on it and it will display options related to managing your finances. Next, you'll need to select the appropriate bank account. Be sure to choose the one where the transaction you're looking to split was recorded. This will ensure you're working with the correct data and maintain accuracy in your financial records. After selecting your account, scroll through the list of transactions until you find the one you need to split. If you're dealing with a long list, you might want to use sorting or search features to locate it faster. Click on the transaction you're interested in to open up its details. This action prompts a window that gives you a closer look at everything related to your selected transaction. Now, within this window, you'll notice a button labeled Split, usually nestled near the category field. Click on this Split button. This will allow you to break down the transaction into multiple parts. You will see that you can add multiple lines for different categories or accounts. For each split line, make sure to enter the corresponding amount. Double check that all amounts you enter add up to the total transaction amount. This step is crucial to ensure your books stay balanced. Optionally, you can add memos or description notes for each line you've split. This extended information might be helpful for anyone reviewing these transactions later, or even for reminding yourself of the breakdown. Once you're satisfied with how the transaction is split and everything adds up correctly, it's time to save your work. You have the option to click Save and Close if you're done, or Save and Add Another if you have more transactions to split. And there you have it. You've successfully split a transaction in QuickBooks Online. Remember, mastering these types of tasks can really offer a deeper understanding and control over your finances. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.